are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm stuffing this bitter melon with a black bean sauce. I was so excited. I cut most of it. It's a long piece, and then you cut it. I scoop out the seed. You can either use a spoon, like this.
You can't eat that?
Seed. And then you can scoop on both sides. Because if you scoop out more, then you have more meat inside.
Oh, okay.
Then you can use a knife. I'm rotating it with my left hand, and then the knife sort of stay almost stationary. And then you take the whole thing out. And then on the other side, you just take it out. You can try both ways and see which one works better for you. And mince some ginger. Mince means little cube. And then garlic. And then I'm going to press. See that to come out. Okay. And some ginger and the black bean. That's enough, right?
Is that from a can?
It's not a can. It's like a box. Break it. More like a paste. So I'm going to mince the pork, and you cut it smaller, then it will mince better. This is shoulder. Good to have some little fat. I bought it in Chinatown. But if your supermarket doesn't have it, you can use pork chop. Colvin said, I'm just going to come here.
Yeah. It's okay. It gets smaller when you get stitches.
I'm going to put some dry squid in there. This, like I soak it, they have a skin, then you can peel this off. They have a soft bone in here. Of course, they don't have it. And I'm doing a demonstration. In here, your mouth, you want to get rid of that. You just have a little.
Get their teeth?
Yeah, the teeth, because that's how they eat. I'm going to chop it, throw it into the meat. This is going to be tasty. You can smell it, right? Your kind of steak, same. Salty. When I was a kid, they mince it by hand. There's no machine like this. Throw it in here. See how lazy I got? I'm not even opening it.
I think you learned that from nature.
I learned it from the best. But I'm not as lucky as you. I have no place to go that somebody will cook for me. I'm going to marinate it. For thickening sauce, 1 teaspoon, because quite a bit, and marinate. 1/4 teaspoon. Put a little sugar in here. Little sugar in here. 1/4 cup of water. Make liquid amino. If you don't have liquid amino, you can use soy sauce. And then you just marinate it for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to put some minced ginger in here. I love ginger. And then you mix it and let it sit for like 5 minutes. This is like Chinese home cooking. They don't marinate for a long time. Okay, you stop it. And put some on the bottom. Colvin's gonna like it because the hole is so big. Then we'll have to put more meat in it. But you can use flour, but I'm using cornstarch. Not a lot of oil because after all it's pork. 1 tablespoon because I want to coat the pan and hopefully it won't stick. Colvin, you liking this? Right? And then you can just. But I want to cook on both sides first. If you cover it so quickly, the steam going back in there, it's not as tasty. I'm going to turn it lower because I don't want to burn it. It might end up the perfect size.
How long will you cook this for?
Maybe like 15 minutes. I want to give a chance for it to brown before I flip it. I should put a little bit more oil.
You have to flip it again, or that's it?
I think that's it. See how nice because of the cornstarch? Flip the one here first because I put it in first. See the cornstarch that's out a lot of the oil. Let it shear on this side before I put any water. Because in the beginning I thought I don't need that much oil, which seems it's pork with water. You can use like chicken broth. Today I don't have it. See, everything is flexible. Shear for a little bit longer before I put the water in. Be careful, don't cook too close. I'm going to lower to simmer, and then I'm going to cover it. I check it once in a while, but you don't want the water to dry out. It's actually the sauce is thickened. You can see that the melon. Now it's a little bit more translucent. In 5 more minutes. I think it's done.
Yeah. Smells good, Joyce.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the black bean here. 1 tablespoon. When I cook, I'm relaxed.
When I eat, I'm alive. Is that enough black beans, Joyce?
Shut up. I have no more black bean. Imagine that we're doing half of it. Let the chance to cook it because it's ginger and garlic need to be cooked. How can it be bad, Colvin? I forgot to put soy sauce in here. We usually make it more like a paste. Here's more sauce. That's enough sauce.
I love this sauce, Joyce.
I know that. I mean, you can make different sauce or just a thickening sauce without black beans. And then I said, let's make the black bean. Colvin's gonna like it better. Turn it off. Right?
And there's no carbs, right, Joyce?
Well, it's a melon, the little carb.
That's a vegetable. It should be okay.
The cornstarch. Then I can put the black bean sauce on top of it. This must be tasty too. You know what? I should dunk this into the black bean.
More flavor?
Uh-huh. Okay. I'm gonna put some scallion on top. Three?
Sure.
Picture time!